Hi, we're Drew and Judy from Lynden, Washington. Just did a Google search and saw the reviews. There are tons of 5s, nothing bad, and did our due diligence, did 3 bids, and went from there. I found since we moved up here to the north end, it can get Washington hot. You know, people in the Midwest and the South would laugh at what we call humidity. But there are days here where it gets warm and sticky in late July and in August. And it was an opportunity to do that and also to improve what the house was worth, because all the homes in my little section here all have air conditioning and ours hadn't, and ours was the first one built. We wanted to do it and it made sense to do, and the price was right. With the way he presented his bid was above and beyond what the other 2 did combined. I had one that literally wanted to do a drive-by and gave me a price. I had one that came in, looked around, gave us a price. Colin came in, was taking measurements, was checking our ceilings, our skylights, our windows. I mean, he was really thorough in what he was checking and explaining in detail what he was looking for to find that we were making sure that we got the right system that fit our house and our needs, not an overkill and buying something that was too big for us or something that was too small. And I was really appreciative of that.
He definitely spent the time to explain everything overall, because I don't know anything about air conditioning. And when I spent the first time with him for an hour and a half, I felt like I had just gotten through a class about learning about air conditioning that I knew nothing about. So he was very thorough and extremely genuine. I've never felt this way about any other bid before. If I asked a question, he came right back, and a few seconds later, good response and something that I understood. He
was good at that. If we didn't explain something or understand it the way he explained it first, he would come down and bring it down to the level of understanding that we did without making me an HVAC expert. But he made it seem simpler than it was, which I was really happy with. We asked him where we wanted to be price-wise, so we had to come up with that first, and then he gave us a good, better, best option, and totally for us. You make the choice. And just for the heck of it, I asked him what the high end was, and obviously that was more than I wanted to go, but in the price range that I needed and what I want, what fit my needs here, he took the time to get us a system that's going to work for us, for the house, and for our budget.
We like to get things done efficiently and accurately, and Colin is exactly that way. I cannot compare him to any other bid that I've done before, because I did not get that personal satisfaction from anybody the way I did with Colin.
He has a great sense of humor. He's a really good person to work with and learn from. Really enjoyed our time with him. He really respected our home and didn't treat us like just a client or just a bid. He really spent a good time with us, which was, and Jude and I were really amazed at that more than anything.